In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your website on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the save control in the Wix editor and how to use it confidently so your work is securely stored as you build. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor with your site open. This is the workspace where you drag and drop elements, change text, and design pages, not the dashboard where you manage settings. Once you're in the editor, direct your eyes to the very top right area of the screen. That corner is home base for key actions, and it's where you'll find the save option. It usually sits alongside other familiar controls like preview and publish, all grouped together in that upper toolbar. Take a moment to locate it so you can reach for it quickly as you work. When you're ready to preserve your progress, click Save. That's it. After you click, look for a brief status indicator, often a message or a check mark. Confirming your changes have been saved. This confirmation is your assurance that the editor has written your current design, text, and settings to your site's draft. If you keep working, you can click Save again anytime. It's safe to use repeatedly, and it won't push anything live to the public. A quick note on what Save does versus what it doesn't do. Saving stores your edits inside the editor, so you can come back later and pick up where you left off. It does not publish your changes to your live website. If someone visits your site right now, they'll still see the last published version. That separation is helpful because it lets you experiment freely, refine details, and save often without affecting what visitors see. If you want to review your saved work without making it public, use Preview next to Save to see how your pages look in a browsing experience, then keep editing and saving as needed. Here are a few practical tips to make saving a habit. Click Save after every meaningful change, adding a new section, updating a gallery, or tweaking your navigation. Watch for the saved confirmation before moving on. If your connection is unstable, give the editor a moment to finish saving before you close the tab. And try to keep only one editor tab open for the same site to avoid confusion about which tab has the latest saved version. To recap, find the Save control at the top right of the Wix editor and click it to preserve your progress. Make it a routine as you build, and you'll always have your work safely stored and ready for the next session.